Welcome back to Health for You, where healthy living is simple, practical, and fun. The path to better health isn't about deprivation, it's about smart, effortless swaps that keep the joy in eating. Today we'll explore 20 easy, science-backed substitutions that can transform your meals and your well-being. Get ready to see your favorite foods in a whole new, nourishing light. Swap refined sugar for cinnamon in your coffee, oatmeal, or baking. Cinnamon adds natural sweetness, helps regulate blood sugar, and cuts empty calories, an easy, delicious upgrade. Dried fruit is calorie-dense and easy to overeat, while fresh fruit is hydrating, full of fiber and more filling. Choose juicy, whole fruit for lasting energy and satisfaction. It's a simple way to enjoy sweetness and stay full longer. Ditch sugary sodas for seltzer water. Same fizz, zero sugar. Add fresh lime, berries, or mint for flavor. It's a refreshing, guilt-free way to hydrate and enjoy bubbles. Whole wheat pasta keeps the grain's fiber and nutrients, offering a richer taste and longer-lasting energy. It's more filling and supports steady blood sugar. Enjoy your favorite pasta dishes with a healthier twist. Cauliflower rice mimics the texture of white rice but is lower in calories and carbs, and higher in fiber. It absorbs flavors beautifully and fills your plate without the extra starch. Try it as a base for stir-fries or curries. Plain Greek yogurt is thick, creamy, and packed with protein and probiotics. Skip the sugary flavored yogurts. Add your own fruit or a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. It's a nourishing, customizable snack or breakfast. Spiralized zucchini zoodles are a low-calorie, fiber-rich alternative to pasta. They soak up sauces and add freshness to any dish. Enjoy the comfort of noodles while boosting your veggie intake. Boiling or poaching eggs uses water instead of oil, keeping them light and pure. You get all the protein and nutrients without the added fat. Top salads or toast with a poached egg for a healthy boost. It's a simple change with big benefits. Eating whole fruit gives you fiber and slow sugar absorption, unlike juice, which is just concentrated sugar. Whole fruit fills you up and supports gut health. Choose the fruit, skip the juice. Mash fresh or thawed berries for a vibrant, no-sugar-added spread. You get all the fiber, antioxidants, and natural sweetness, no preservatives needed, perfect for toast or yogurt. Grilled chicken breast is lean, high in protein, and free from the extra fat and calories of breaded fried tenders. Season with herbs and spices for flavor. It's a cleaner, more nourishing way to enjoy chicken. Craving something chocolatey? Mix low-fat milk with unsweetened cocoa and a touch of natural sweetener. It's creamy, satisfying, and much lower in sugar and fat than a milkshake. Plus, it's great for post-workout recovery. Upgrade your pizza with whole wheat or veggie-based crusts like cauliflower or chickpea. These options add fiber, nutrients, and cut empty carbs. Enjoy your favorite toppings on a healthier base. Swap chips for crunchy veggies like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers. Pair with hummus or Greek yogurt dip for a snack that's filling and packed with nutrients. It's a colorful, satisfying alternative. Freeze grapes for a naturally sweet, refreshing treat. They're full of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Unlike sugary ice lollies, a perfect, healthy way to cool down. Choose tomato-based sauces over creamy white ones for your pasta. Red sauces are lower in fat and calories and rich in antioxidants like lycopene. They add flavor and nutrition without the heaviness. At happy hour, opt for a glass of red wine like Merlot instead of sugary cocktails. Red wine has fewer calories and sugar, plus antioxidants that support heart health. It's a smarter, more sophisticated sip. Use mustard as a marinade instead of sugary BBQ sauce. Mustard is virtually calorie-free and adds tangy flavor without hidden sugars. Mix with herbs and lemon for a bold, healthy glaze. Rye bread is denser, higher in fiber, and more nutritious than white bread. It keeps you fuller longer and helps regulate blood sugar. Build your sandwiches on rye for a heartier, healthier bite. Choose dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, for a richer taste and more antioxidants. It's lower in sugar and encourages mindful, satisfying indulgence. Enjoy a small piece for a healthful treat. See? Eating healthier is about small, smart swaps, not giving up what you love. Try 1 or 2 changes this week and notice the difference in your energy and satisfaction. These little shifts add up to big results over time. Share your favorite swaps in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching Health for You, where better health is just one smart choice away. See you next time.